welcome back to a brand new video. We are super excited to do this video today, so grab your kids and come back because they're gonna want to be here for this. So today we're going to be doing the Exploding Watermelon Challenge. So all you need is some rubber bands and a watermelon of your choice. We're going to wrap the rubber bands around the watermelon until it explodes. Hopefully this works. We're gonna do a little giveaway in this video. If you wanna win a 2-pack of laser guns, all you have to do is share this video and you are entered to win. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Now let's get into it. A little bit right here, it's breaking. It's like, I have some hope, you guys. Let's keep going. Okay, guys, I think it's going to crack. It's cracking down the middle, which is weird. It's supposed to crack like this way, but it's cracking this way.
Did it just crack?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah! It's gonna do it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You did it.
Oh my gosh, that scared me so bad. Alright, you guys, so you see it worked. The watermelon exploded. Definitely think you guys should try this summer. It was super fun, and just know it's gonna get a lot messy. All right.
Take forever.
Yes, we hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All you have to do to enter is share this video, and you're entered to win a 2-pack of laser guns. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.